a garlic pepper prawn stir fry. My name is Shaima Menon and my channel is called Licorice. I have a website which is called www.licorice.in. So if you like to cook or photograph your food or eat, you must totally check out my website. I like Asian food. I'm a big fan of Asian food because I think it's really simple to whip up. I like the freshness in the ingredients. I like how it's all tossed in a wok and flipped onto a plate and served right up. Picture this, you have friends sitting right outside chatting at your place, bags of nachos moving from one person to another, and you want to quickly whip up something that's fresh and right in your kitchen, right? You don't want to order food, you don't want something coming out of the carton, so you want to quickly make something in your kitchen. So stir fries are great for this because it's so nice to keep all your ingredients ready and quickly toss it in the wok. So this is one of the recipes I use. This is one of my go-to recipes when I have friends over. So the most important tool when you're making a stir fry or any Asian recipe for that matter is this amazing tool called the wok. It is my favorite tool in the kitchen. I bought a wok even before I had an oven in the kitchen, and I think if you really like to cook, you must invest in a wok, or you like Asian food, you must totally invest in a wok. The best part about a wok is that when the flat part of the wok is placed on a burner, of course in a commercial kitchen you're not going to see a flat wok, you're going to see a rounded wok with those big burners, but in our kitchens I think this flat bottom is perfect, works really well. And yeah, so as I was saying, the best part is that the entire wok, the entire metal in the wok gets heated up evenly, so there's no uneven distribution of heat, which is perfect for any stir fry. So let's move on to what we need to make this amazing garlic pepper prawn stir fry. So I've got some prawns. I'm using some really big jumbo prawns here because they are quite the main dish, the main ingredient is prawns. And then I've got some peppers. I've got red peppers, I've got some green peppers, and I've got some yellow peppers because all three of them render a very different flavor, and I really like the flavor of all three peppers. I've got some scallions or spring onions. I've just kind of minced them up. They're very pretty garnished, so I use them as a garnish. I've got some Thai red chili here, these little bird chilies that are really hot. If you can't find any of these, you can totally use your normal green chilies. I've got some garlic pods here, and I've slivered them actually. I haven't minced them because I like the bite of garlic in this particular stir fry. And in terms of seasoning, I've got some peppers. I don't use too much pepper in this stir fry. But I like a little spice from the pepper. I've got some sugar. It's very little sugar. It balances out all the flavors of the sauce. And I've got some corn flour. Corn flour again is the minimal amount. I don't use too much corn flour because it's really unhealthy, and it makes everything very thick and starchy, and I don't particularly like the flavor. So this is about the dry ingredients. In terms of this sauce, here's what you need. So I've got some dark soy sauce here. I'm using a combination of a couple of sauces. One of them is dark soy sauce. The other is light soy sauce. Now if you can't find this light soy sauce, you can just use an additional tablespoon of the dark soy sauce, or if you don't want to invest in a bottle just to make one stir fry, you can use an additional tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I've got some vinegar here. This is normal plain white vinegar. Now authentically rice vinegar is used. I couldn't find a bottle of rice vinegar, which is why I'm going to make do with this white vinegar. I did, however, find a bottle of red chili garlic vinegar, which is it's basically vinegar flavored with red chili and garlic, and it's delicious. So I'm going to use that in this stir fry as well. Let's begin with making the sauce for the stir fry, because that way it's easier to throw the whole thing into the wok rather than each ingredient individually. So for the sauce, I'm going to use a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. As I said, if you can't find any light soy sauce, you can go ahead and use another tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I'm going to use another tablespoon. I'm sorry, this is a new bottle, so it's going to take me a while. Another tablespoon of light soy sauce. And then I've got my white vinegar. A tablespoon of white vinegar. And my flavored vinegar. Tablespoon of vinegar. And for my seasonings, I've got sugar, pepper, and my cornstarch. I'm going to give all of this a good whisk. For the ingredient amounts, you can check out www.licorice.in. I'm going to leave the link below in the description. So that's my sauce. I know it looks really messy now, but it tastes delicious. So moving on to the stir fry. I've heated some oil and thrown my garlic slivers in there. I'm adding my chili peppers and my red, green and yellow peppers. This is really quick and noisy, so it's fun that way. In goes my prawn. Colorful and beautiful. You want to turn the heat up to high because you want it to cook really quick. And as you see, the prawns turning slightly orange, turning a little rust, a little orange in color. You can go ahead and serve the sauce right now. Prawns doesn't take too long to cook, so you want to be really quick. So that's what I've softened my sauce and my prawns are cooked. I can get a so strong smell. I'm going to garnish them with some spring onions. It looks so pretty. I love lots of spring onions. I like the whole oniony flavor. And that's that. There you have it. My garlic pepper prawn stir fry. Doesn't that look delicious? Wouldn't you want to just pass on a plate to your friends while they're sitting there chatting? I totally would. This is what I do every weekend, and this is the kind of food I make. So that was my stir fry, and this was fun. This is the first time I'm shooting a video ever, and so if I've fumbled and stammered and looked away and been distracted by something else, please forgive me, bear with me. And if you did like what I made today in the kitchen, subscribe to my channel. Do check out my website, licorice.in. I'm going to leave all the details right below in the subscription box. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.